Bird of paradise. The bird of paradise is famous for its bright, colorful feathers and extraordinary courtship dances. These birds are mostly found in New Guinea and nearby islands. Male birds of paradise often display their vibrant plumage to attract females, performing elaborate dances and poses. Their stunning beauty makes them one of the most remarkable bird species on Earth.
Flamingos are tall, elegant birds with long legs and necks. They are easily recognized by their pink feathers, which come from the pigments in the shrimp and algae they eat. The patu is a nocturnal bird found in Central and South America. It is known for its excellent camouflage. During the day, it perches on tree branches and looks exactly like a piece of wood or a broken branch. The hoatzin, native to the Amazon rainforest, is a very unusual bird. It has a blue face, red eyes, and spiky feathers on its head. Young hoatzins have claws on their wings that help them climb trees before they can fly. The kakapo, also known as the owl parrot, is a large flightless parrot native to New Zealand. It is nocturnal and has a soft moss-green color that blends well with its forest habitat.